Welcome back to Wepner Farms Productions. We got a busy day today. Quit farming for the day. We got ourselves a little skidder on the back. My father and Big Ricky have been hammering down, hacking off some trees. We got a slight problem in our woods with our ash trees. We got the ash borers have been really eliminating a lot of our trees. Not sure who's calling me, but we're gonna find out. Big Ricky. Oh, I missed it. Why is he calling me? A little busy right now. Big Ricky. Yeah. Father's running the chainsaw. And little Ricky, I'm hoping I'm gonna drag him into hooking chains for me. So this is my first day logging down here. I've been cleaning up fence lines, so I don't even know what it looks like. It sounds like there's a lot of trees we cut down. We got the ash borer. It's a invasive species and it's just killing all the ash trees. So we're going down and cutting them all off. So see you down in the woods. So here's all the trees they got out so far this week. A bunch of trees over here with limbs on them yet. Kind of trying to get the logs over here and then kind of leave the firewood type aside. You know, there's still some logs and some of this stuff, I think, but most of this stuff I think is more cricketer. So I'm following him. He says he knows where the logging trail is, so I need to get over by the logs. We're backing up to our first log here. Get you guys set up for it. First two logs out, we got our first log out. Big Ricky says we got a double hook on this next one. Pretty exciting. My first time pulling two logs in one pull, the big skidder like this. So there he is, tearing it up, getting stuff out of my way so I could really hammer down getting these logs out. So we're gonna go ahead and get backed up to these and get them out of the woods. Timber she goes. That's a big one. Got me all hooked?
Oh, you gotta lift this one up.
I gotta lift it up?
Yeah, back up till it hit this thing and try and lift it up.
Why can't you get it wrapped around back here and we'll re-hook over here? Can't get underneath that? making a little bit of progress. Got little Ricky going to town, getting that chain hooked up. Dad's been laying trees down faster than we can think. But we got a little bit of this area cleaned out. This is all pretty thick. Not sure what we're gonna do with that mess. I think we'll be doing some maneuvering here, get some of these logs out. What do you got going on back there, little Ricky? You gotta wrap your choker around the log first.
Gee, we're seeing frick that thing.
What?
We just used one machine.
If you say so. Finally getting ourselves another double hook. Gonna pull 2 logs out of here, hopefully. Here we go, Ricky's getting her hooked up here. Then we're gonna give her a yank. That whole pile of trees back there, Dad and Kyle are working on. A few back in here.
Try that.
All right, Ricky says try it. That's a big pull. There goes, that one's falling this way too. We better get out of the way. We got the side-by-side sitting here, just dropping them on them. What the heck is going on here? This is chaos. Well, didn't quite drop it on it, but pretty darn close. Is that precision or pure luck? I don't know. Big load, big load. What do you think? You gonna become a professional logger and quit the farming? Me too. Me too. We're big timing now. Got a big pull ahead of us. So we're pulling our cable up. Here she comes. We're snagged. all you can do her. Well, we'd probably grab them from there, I'd say. Winding her up. Big time loggers now. Got the winch system working. Trees are laying everywhere. Here we go, here she is. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. That was the boom. Here we go, let's see if she pulls them out. Might not have enough tractor for this job here. Lifting. Here we go. Come on, girl. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna happen now. That's unfortunate. That was a good pull. Might have to drop this big one. Come back for it. Here she be. We'll leave the chain right here. Come and grab her. Let me get a small. We'll grab that other little one with it. Not a big deal. Maybe grab that one. We'll see. We'll see. Big Ricky, not here to save the day. Here we go. She's pulling her. We're getting her. Our trails are getting narrower. We get further back and got a big bolt here. Big old log. Trail's just wide enough to get our machine through. Here we go, dragging her out. See that big thing back there? We got it. We got it. Don't worry. We got it. We'll put it by my bolt pile over there where all our nice round big logs are. And go back and get some more. Logging. We're logging. It's really warm out today. We're gonna maybe hit 50 degrees again today. That sun's beating down. Well, we got a few logs out here. Making decent progress. Got a bit of a brush pile over there, but a few nice logs here. Kind of working on just cleaning everything up back there. There's so many not elm trees, but ash trees that are just gonna die. You can see them. They're just losing their bark everywhere, and those are all those ash trees that are gonna die, and that's what we're taking out of there. You can see the discoloration on that tree. There's a big one back there. This one right on the fence line, right there, you can see it's got a lot of light color to it. Those are all those ash trees that got that ash borer in them that are just dying, and they're all gonna die. So just trying to get the logs out of here while we can. So yeah, pretty wild, pretty wild. Not much of a logger until today, and now found out that I'm quite the logging machine. So a couple logs up here up front, gonna grab them. It's nice when he brings them up front here. I don't have to go through all the trees and whatnot. Well, there's a big one gonna come down right now. You're probably not gonna be able to see it. There it goes. Nice. It's quite the jungle in here. Quite the jungle. Very nice. We're trying that big one again. It picked up. Here we go. 3 logs. Taking them to the pile. Yeah, buddy. She's pulling. We got donuts and tires, but she's pulling. To the pile we go. Heck yeah. Got the biggest haul of the day here. Here she makes her own. She's heavy. Noggin. Heavy. Holy man, she's greasy. We're losing momentum. We're losing it. Come on, girl. Got her. That was a good pull. Well, we got quite the task ahead of us getting this all cleaned up. A lot of stuff laying there, some trees laying there, a lot of trees over there and over there and over there, and trees laying everywhere. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Hopefully done logging after this. So yeah, see ya.